Welcome back to SK Hobbies, AZ, and I am Stitch. And on this episode, my son built his first RC builder's kit. So stay tuned. All right, well, welcome back. So yes, my son Ashton built his first RC builder's kit. He built the Vanquish VS4 Phoenix with the Porter's kit. Let's go ahead and let me show you what he got. And he did this all on his... So there it is. He's got it built. He even did the paint job himself. Now we did put on his Hyrax tires off of his SCX-10-2, and then his aluminum red bead locks to kind of match it. Those are the Endura bead locks. But as you can see, he got it all built and he did really good at it. It took him a bit, being it was his first time building one, but he's got it. This thing's completely stock from the kit, except for we did put the Mamba X ESC in it. We have it linked up to his FlySky controller. We've got a Power Hobbies 729 MBL steering servo, and we had two of them, so we threw one in as his shift servo. We did not install the digs, so the dig's locked out in this bad boy. And we'll see if I can show you guys what we put in motor-wise. But if you guys look in there, you'll see it. It's kind of hard to see, but we've got the Hobbies Revolver KV revolver in there. So it does sound like a turbine when it lights up. And you can hear all the noise in the background because everybody's got their crawlers out from the family today. And we are out at the Joe Max, or what we're deeming our location for. And we're going to do a little bit of crawling. So you'll be seeing this bad boy out there. Stay tuned for some more video on Ashton's Phoenix. But there's Ashton, and he built that all himself. All right, so you guys stay tuned for that new crawler to the channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe and bash that bell. I am Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.